The Robin marks how I want to show you how to make it. Going to putting a little finger on that hole, so we get it that right, you know.
Yeah, that's right in the middle there.
So we're putting a mark in on the finger, near the finger. So we're putting the mark between, put the finger there underneath. So and then the measuring my finger underneath there, and then that will go, turn it round, and then we got it right then. So
yeah, we got it on the mat that you made there.
That you not made that. I made the other one.
Yeah, that's all right. We know we're all right.
So
there.
and then put another mark.
Yeah.
Finger mark holding the pencil mark here, and then another mark about there, and then.
That's just right, isn't it?
Yeah, because I put my finger there.
Yeah.
So I put my finger there, so I got that gap in the, on that finger.
Yeah.
So it not go away from that. So like that. And then what I do, we take it off. Then we do put the root on the towel, and then I'm using a brad to mark the hole, and then just a little bit, not too hard, just move it round, and then.
So why do you make a brad hole?
Why making a brad hole?
Why do you make a brad hole?
About brad hole, because when we drill that hole in, so the drill can find the hole bit, so you're not moving away. So I put a little bit brad hole, so you that bit more. So I'm pressing the hat down a bit, moving it round. Then move round, and then you turn it round, so you do one side, so put it on that plus to that wood, and then I'm making another brad hole down there, and then making another brad hole down there, and then I put that down. I got that one I need, and then we get a piece of wood, like that, and then coat that wood and piece of wood. So, and then you move your finger back, move that way, so you're not finger to that blade. And then you put a hole right through, not right through that wood. Then I move that hand a bit further there. And then just to turn that over, I'll put that in there. Then turn it round. And then we put a hole, another hole there. And then another hole there. Then I'll lay that wood down, and then we can put a mark where I put pencil mark on. If I find
it. But it's got to be the other way around.
Other way around.
That's it. Yeah. You just got to find the pencil marks that you made before.
Yeah, I've got it now.
Yeah.
Put it there, that one there. Got it there, and then what I do, I'm using two,
40 millimeter.
40 millimeter, two of them, and I put, and now, and another tip, Anna, is putting a hammer, slightly tapping it, and then it will start, the wood can, the end.
It'll start the thread, won't it?
Start a thread.
Yeah.
So tapping the little hammer and start a thread in here. So using that like that in there, like that in there, and then
Yeah, no,
then
we just
then
got
I
the,
have that one,
yeah.
and then we bury it in. And then what I do is make it flush to the wood, so it makes it so it looks nice and make it nice and flush.
You sometimes have to adjust the.
Yeah, just the bed,
so
just the design machine,
Yeah.
and then that.
You can turn it up a bit again.
And
You?
then turn it up.
No, other way. No.
That
Yeah,
way?
that's it, yeah.
And then we turn it up, so I need to keep that, and then I need to bury it again to the flush, to that wood.
It's nice and neat.
And then that neat, that will come out. Then I need that in. Same again, same secret, no one. And then it all hammer, bury it whole, tap it there. And then tap it there, and then that goes in there, and then tap it there, and then I get the drill, and then we'll screw it in, and that is flush, yeah, flush. So what I mean, I'm rubbing my finger on it to feel if it's flush or not.
Yeah. It's nice and flush with the surface.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then flush it there. And then that takes dirt that way. And then we've got that rubbing there.
You sometimes have a bit of a gap.
Yeah, gap. So we have to push it in. So we have to lean it on to here. So wait, one person's doing, it like push the roof down.
Just
So
pulls it on.
pulls it on, yeah.
Closes the gap.
It pulls the gap, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes the wood it warped, so the roof it like bending over. So you need to put a lot of weight on it, so it make it flush to that gap. So sometimes you can lay it down like push it like that.
You're happy with that?
I'm happy with that. No problem. So next thing is lay it on your front, and then we have what do you call it?
Bracket. Yeah.
Back.
Bracket.
So bracket. So we put bracket up like
That's
so
it.
bracket.
Right, first time, that's it.
So the bracket
Yeah.
goes up like that.
Yeah.
But that one I've got another.
Oh,
No.
Yeah.
Hold making sure I'm changing it over because one of them got no hole on the top, so we need the hole on the top. So flip it over, so it that way down. So you got a bend like that, not that way, bend like that, and then we sit it on like that. So you've got one hole, so if you want to hook it on the fence.
That's to attach it to the wall.
The wall.
Or the tree or whatever.
And then we do the back thing, and then we put a little hole through that mark, make a hole through the feather, and then I'll use the 2-inch 25 milliliter screws, and then I'll do it again, same again, what we did last time, a little tap with the hammer.
What does that do?
And that is it, all start making the hole. Feather.
Then the thread can start when you.
Yeah, thread can do it when you can do it in. sometimes it's not behaving, so you might have to get used to it. If I can.
That's okay.
That will go in one
I'll hold it.
You want to hold that,
Yeah,
Richard?
yeah.
Because it won't stay today. So Richard's holding it because I don't want to cut my hand to my finger. So Richard is holding it through. We are 3. And then out. Why then starting off slowly so the thread can, so the bird box can have the thread in. So I'm starting it slowly, and then I can start it a little bit faster.
Yeah.
And then we just need to line it up.
We'll just centre the back.
Yeah,
won't it?
yeah, set it back. How we did it, do this? What, you reckon it centre or what? Richard, I can't.
Yeah, that looks alright.
Is that alright?
Yeah. So,
And then you use the baby down, doing the hole down here then. So I'm making a hole on the baby. And then we are using the
yeah.
20-inch,
20 millimetres, yeah.
20 meters screws now. And then I'll tap it in there so the thread can do that. So thread that hole there, and then 3 then, same again. Then I'll move my hand away so I don't want to cut my finger. And then screw down. And then and then Richard going to do the roof felt because I don't want to get burned. The roof felt is hot. The glue is very hot, and I can sometimes help him, but glue is very hot, and we don't want to do working. We don't want to get burned.
What are you going to use the piece of wood
We
for?
are using a piece of wood for this, so when we glue that one end on, we are sticking it onto the wood.
There you go.
And then
Careful with your fingers.
I'll tap it down now with the wood, so it is making sure the glue is dipped to the wood, and so it keeps you safe to not get burned.
Well, you've got to be really quick.
Yeah, you've got to do very quick because the glue is very set really quickly.
Yeah.
So that's why we try to do that very quickly with the hot glue gun. We're gluing it on more than glue is what you need because we want to keep it sticking. More glue on it. If you have less glue, you won't have it. Won't stick. And then we say, I'll tap it now. So I'll tap it now, so it makes it so it sticks onto the wood. And then it's done. And then the next job, in a minute, we are doing put the Jenny Red on it. Well, if you, yeah.
So you need
copper pins.
Yeah.
We need the copper pins. What I'll do, I like it hammer it in, but sometimes it's awkward.
So you're going to start it on the block of wood.
Start it off because we want it to go through that one eye a little bit. So, and then Richard's gonna put glue on it, and then we are putting it in. Which January
Well,
doing it.
Well, it's just going to cover that hole, isn't it?
Yeah, cover that hole. Yeah. Now what I've done is I've put it wood through this material. Now I can do.
So you're just using assume the claw hammer.
Claw hammer.
Yeah.
So that's ready to know glue now.
Yeah. So if if I hold it, you
How much glue you
just a
need?
little dab of glue.
Really?
Yeah. That's enough. Yeah, that's
You
all
sure? Or
right.
that too much?
No, that's alright. Just put that around a bit.
Yeah, it's too much glue.
Yeah.
And then I'll do the pepper and then finish off hammering it in now. And then I'll tap it in. Oh, one way.
Just careful your fingers.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'm not in yet.
So we'll get the pincers.
Oh yeah. Now what he's done is the copper bend over, so we need the pincers to pull it up, so and then finish it off. So pinch it off. You alright holding it? You ready?
Yeah.
Ready? And that is done.
Perfect.
And that you got all done and dusted.